Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Decentralized AI, Building Robust and Scalable Systems. Hello developers and curious minds. Before we dive into decentralized AI, let's quickly remember what AI is. Essentially, it's about teaching computers to learn and make decisions. Kind of like how a human brain learns. Now, imagine a single, super powerful human brain trying to solve all problems in the world. That's how a lot of AI works today. But what if we could have many brains working together, sharing insights and helping each other? That's the core idea behind decentralized AI, distributing the thinking across many computers. Not just one giant one. We'll explore why this is exciting and how it makes AI better. Most AI systems you interact with today are centralized. Think of it like this. All the data, all the computing power, and all the decision-making happens in one giant data center owned by a big company. As a developer, you'd send your requests to their servers, and they'd send back results. It's simple to set up initially, but it has downsides. If that one big server goes down, your AI stops working. A single point of failure. All your users' data has to be sent to that one central place, raising privacy concerns. Plus, it can get incredibly expensive to build and maintain those super powerful central systems as demand grows. Before we put decentralized and AI together, let's understand decentralization itself. Imagine you're working on a big group project. In a centralized project, one person holds the master document, and everyone else contributes through them. If that person's computer crashes, the project is stuck. In a decentralized project, everyone has a copy of the document, and everyone can contribute directly. With changes being synced across the group, there's no single boss or single point of failure. It's about distributing power and responsibility among many participants. Now, let's combine these ideas. In decentralized AI, instead of one giant server doing all the AI learning and processing, many smaller computers, which we call nodes or agents, work together. Each node might have a small part of the data or perform a specific task. They communicate and collaborate, sharing their learnings or processing power without necessarily sending all their raw data to a central location. Imagine a swarm of intelligent bees, each contributing to building a complex hive, rather than one giant queen bee doing everything alone. As a developer, this means you're building a network of cooperating intelligences. Decentralized AI offers some compelling advantages that are crucial for building the next generation of applications. Robustness. If one computer in the network goes offline, the others can pick up the slack. Your AI system won't completely crash. No single point of failure. Scalability. Need more power? Just add more computers to the network. It's much easier to grow a distributed system than constantly upgrade one monolithic server. Privacy. Often, data can stay on a user's device, like their phone, and only learnings or model updates are shared, significantly improving privacy. Censorship resistance. Without a central authority, it's much harder for anyone to shut down or control the AI system. This is big for truly open and accessible AI. While the benefits are huge, building decentralized AI isn't without its challenges. As a developer, you'll face exciting new problems. Coordination. How do you get all these separate computers to agree on what's right or to work together efficiently on a task? It's like coordinating a huge orchestra without a central conductor. Communication overhead. All that talking between computers takes time and resources. Ensuring efficient and secure communication is key. Data consistency. If everyone has a copy of the brain, How do you make sure they're all updated correctly and consistently? Preventing conflicting information is crucial. These are the fascinating puzzles you'd be solving. So, how do developers actually build these systems? Here are some core concepts and tools you'd encounter. Federated learning. This is a big one for privacy. Instead of sending all data to a central server, the AI model is sent to individual devices. Each device trains the model using its local data, and then only the asterisk changes to the model. The learnings are sent back and aggregated, never the raw data. Blockchain distributed ledger technologies, DLT. These can be used to securely record contributions, ensure fair compensation for computing power, or coordinate agreements across the network transparently and immutably, meaning it can't be changed. Peer-to-peer, P2P, networks. These are the underlying communication layers that allow individual computers to talk directly to each other without needing a central server as an intermediary. Understanding these helps you design robust communication. As a developer, you'd be piecing together these advanced components. Decentralized AI represents a shift from single, powerful entities controlling AI to a more collaborative, robust, and private future. For developers, this opens up incredible opportunities to build innovative applications that are more resilient, respect user privacy, and can scale globally without being limited by a single infrastructure. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding field. Merging cutting-edge AI with the principles of distributed systems. Get ready to build the future of intelligent systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.